Let's get the latest on the Weather Authority alert. Violet is in with new details on what's happening with the severe weather threat.
Yes, so we actually have two alerts, the severe weather threat, and we're still seeing some of that smoky haze from Canadian wildfires over us with an air quality alert in place. But I think the more dangerous thing is these thunderstorms that are out there right now in central New York and are moving through with the risk for some to be strong to severe, especially to the east of Syracuse between the hours of now through sunset, about 9 p.m. The main threat being some gusty winds, but we may see some heavy downpours leading to pooling. There is the risk to see some small hail and can't rule out an isolated tornado just because of the spin on these storms. But it's a very, very low threat at that. This is a live look from our triple Doppler radar sponsored by Falso Service Experts. Notice most of the action is east of Syracuse and to the south, but there are a couple of new developing cells across the western Finger Lakes that may eventually roll through in the coming hours. Timing out this line of storms that is rolling from west to east. In the next hour and a half, this is where its path is, heading towards New Hartford, Brookfield, Norwich, Bainbridge, and Johnson City. Looking to hit Norwich by 5:50, Brookfield by 5:53, New Hartford 6:09, Whitestown 6:11, Utica at 6:20, with some heavy downpours, lightning, and gusty winds as well. And we've already seen some damage reports from these storms as they rolled through across western New York earlier this evening. Here's a look at the damage reports. South of Penn Yan in Wayne County and over by Rochester, we had reports of trees and wires down by Altay and Rock Stream. Also some wires down on a house to the west of Rochester, and a thunderstorm wind gust up to 58 miles per hour in Wayne County. So that's the potential of what these storms can do as they continue to work their way through central New York in the next couple of hours. This line of storms is along a cold front that's working its way in from the west, bringing us some drier air on the other side of it, which means lower humidity tomorrow, and we get more sunshine as high pressure eventually builds in. And we'll also get improving air quality as well. We still have an air quality alert in place right now, ending tonight, but really right now and over the next few hours, the air quality is really beginning to improve as that smoky haze from Canadian wildfires slowly begins to fade out overnight, and especially Wednesday morning, you'll notice a difference. It's completely out of here by Wednesday afternoon, and you'll finally see some blue skies once again. Timing out the rain with our futurecast, storms are to the east and south of Syracuse, making their way east over the next couple of hours. There are some new cells by Penn Yan that will be working their way in across the southern tier closer to 8 or 9. But after 9 p.m., severe weather threat is over. Just some lingering sprinkles that will be out of here by 10 or 11 p.m. And then we're dry overnight. Patchy Valley fog dropping into the lower 60s. And then plenty of sunshine tomorrow, nice low humidity, and highs in the lower 80s. Here's a look at the rest of your forecast. After a gorgeous day tomorrow, things heat up. 87 Thursday, some late day storms, soggy weather Friday, a couple of showers early Saturday, and then sunshine returns Sunday, and hotter weather looking ahead to next week.